mwanchu murigereria gwen Soko TV tukoneria 10 mutinye 12 mwaka w'echilfu ibere merongo ebere ne 5 chinsa ninyi chiabono mamine chidakika isano cha Afrika ya muchango gokwani kuranonsi ya sore mambia bona naboiga sense muyende no kuyana kwani una kwabokire bya gwachakire litukubya naboigo asumutinyo yoiga o 12 mbiya ogendere tukurase ensemo yago na mono asumutinyi ubwate meyega umutinyi ubwate amangana amange hapa na pale lakini asonsi mambia bona nigongo kwarigania tusanga asobwamo kurubwa gakete chinsa 12 kwego kyose kwego kire no murubiri w'ensoko bwakire amona Diana Nemo nere Innocent Onyango na nchinsa chingabune chiga asoko cyo kumurekera ao alia akorekanire mambia bono alia etire na alia rachikubwatia kurwa chisemo ao bunatokora ateba kurwa sensemu y'ichisemi tugenda obo chenu tukwanire amangana abwatikene no bosombi oborendi bweme ayabwatikene na siasa abo sibwo bochori bwo mwaka bw'echilfu ibere emerongo ebere ne 5 na sensemu yende naro ntuchikolire lya agente tokorekana kurwa se ebinyoroime ase ebigambiro byaito emambia ya bono tusanga sobwa mu wetera senchire yo mutandao bwekerero Facebook robaga sensemo area ya YouTube and Soko TV ase namba area mawasiliano ujumbe nyinge nabo igona baadaye nabo era nyarikano chikutwara libagali wake seminigere notisa no naibere isano na isatu isano na isato isano ne mumara gatano omwerio beka isato chake asobwamo na baadaye ntochikoba omogeni ntochikoba nomogeni mi studio mwenyekenu na Brian ekero ara chiko ikirana na aro ntochikosanga ayabwatikaine nabasaye na mono ase engaki ngabune yega erusa na mono engaki ngabune yega basaye bakonye kwebanga ase ensemo eriyo burayi nabo yokomorekera alia agendere togokorekana ase ensemo area yobrai tochaka sobwamo area tariane Ishmael Mogere ase asobwango mono gusase mambia bono nigo tate kutocha kumurekera ali agendrete gokorekana ase bigambiro abwase amaunchirelio ali agendrete gokorekana ase bigambiro kwenekia na obokoreri bwe bigambiro ngogendera bore gokorekana wetera senchira yekerero nandi chinga kichibu chinga bune chiga enchira yekerero yalire emeri ni gaba bwatene ao kurwa ase bigambiro batugirige tambukero ye bigambiro gosobora ibwe kigambiro imeyense ya Kenya bokoragwa na munachi o ebina omone no menyekene buna mother kome nigo ababwatini obatogirige tambukiro kyogochia korwa obokoreri bw'ebigambiro gweterase enchira yekerero na kirubya turarigereria alia agendere tokorekana kurase nsemo ino boigo na kibakwanire iguru y'omurubiri oyega bwo kurwa obokoreri gweterase enchira yekerero.
Majina naitwa Michael Chibanda. Mimi ni wakili wa mahakama kuu ya Kenya na ni beneficiary ama ni mtu mfaidika wa kwanza wa hii mahakama ya Lungalunga ambayo iko chini ya mahakama ya Msambweni, na kivyangu kama wakili imenisaidia sana kwa sababu kama hii kesi ambayo nimekuja kufanya leo, client wangu anakaa tu hapa maeneo ya Vanga. So kabla hii mahakama ianze hapa ilikuwa lazima asafiri kutoka Vanga mpaka Kinondo ambako mahakama ya Msambweni iko. Lakini kwa sasa hivi hii imemsaidia sana, amefika mapema na ni mara yake ya pili sasa tunakuja for the second hearing, na imekuwa rahisi kwa yeye kukuja tu kutoka hapa na kufika mahali mahakama iko. Na pia kama leo tunakuja kusikiza kesi ya investigation officer, hakutakuwa na ile excuse ya kwamba kwa mbali kwa sababu polisi ya Lungalunga iko tu hapa. So kwa ujumla imesaidia sana, na naona kesi ya mteja wangu imeenda haraka sana, kwa sababu kama ingekuwa ile koti nyingine tungepata pengine tarehe mwaka ujao, lakini kwa sasa hivi kwa sababu ni hapa karibu imeenda haraka, na tayari sasa hii tunamaliza kesi ya upande wa mashtaka leo. Kwa hivyo koti imetusaidia sana na tunaendelea izidi kukaa ili ikasaidie watu wengi zaidi nyanjani. Asanteni sana.
Kwa majina mimi naitwa Hussein Suleiman Biega, mkazi wa hapa Lungalunga. Nashukuru sana kwa kupata huu mradi uliofanyika serikali kupatia koti hapa kwetu Lungalunga, kwa maana sisi watu kazi ya Lungalunga ilikuwa tunateseka sana. Mwanzoni ilikuwa tukipata cases, wajua kila kabila ama kila jamii lazima inakuwa na kesi. Sasa sisi ilikuwa tukisafiri kutoka Lungalunga hadi Msambweni kule kupata huduma hiyo ya kadhi na koti kwa jumla. Lakini sasa hivi tulitoka mwezi jana tulipoletwa hii tulishukuru sana, kwa sababu hii ni kitu ambacho tutasaidia sisi. Unajua ukienda kotini una mara mbili. unataka ufike kule, kuna pengine kutakuwa na shughuli za kupigwa faini ama ufike kwa mapema. Sasa tukisafiri sisi watu Lungalunga, wengine tunatoka Lungalunga za chini mpaka tuabiri bodaboda kwa main road tusafiri mpaka Msambweni. Lakini sasa hivi itakuwa imeturahisishia, itakuwa ni hata wengine wanakuja tu kwa mkato na wanafika kwa time, alafu pengine kama ni shughuli kwa kesho anarudi kwa muda unaofaa.
Mimi kwa majina naitwa Timadodo, ni mkaaji wa Lungalunga. Ninafurahi sana tumepokea hii koti kama watu wa Lungalunga, kwa sababu tulikuwa na changamoto kubwa, kulikuwa tuna kesi nyingi, lakini hasa kama sisi wakina mama ilikuwa kesi zetu wakati tunaenda Kwale ama Kinondo, tukienda tukifuatilia hizi kesi tunachoka, tunakosa nauli, alafu pia kunakuwa na usumbufu. Hata uwe una kesi kama mama, wakati unaambiwa upeleke mashahidi unashindwa, kwa sababu wewe mwenyewe transport yako ni shida na inatakikana ubebe mashahidi nao uwapeleke. Kwa hiyo kuletwa hii koti Lungalunga kwetu ni furaha kubwa sana. Kwetu ni furaha kubwa kwa sababu tunajua hata iwe ile koti na mashahidi hata wawe ni 10, unaweza kushikana nao mkono na ukawapeleka. Na hii koti tulitaka kitambo sana.
Kwa majina anaitwa Kama Abdalla, Senior Chief 1 kutoka location ya Vanga, division ya Lungalunga, sub county ya Lungalunga. Tunashukuru sana sisi kama viongozi kwa sababu uwepo kwa mahakama hii hapa karibu kutasaidia sana katika shughuli za kutendea haki wananchi. Vile vile itasaidia, vile vile ukaribu wake utasaidia wale ambao wanatoka mbali. Ile eneo ni pana, kuna watu wanasafiri hapa kutoka maeneo kama Bambarani, Chindi, ni masaa 4 kutoka kule na barabara sio nzuri. Abebe pikipiki afike hapa. Kipindi kile alikuwa akienda kama Kinondo ama Kwale, inachukua yeye muda, inachukua gharama kubwa, na pengine akifika kule tarehe imewekwa tarehe nyingine anazidi kugharamika huyo mtu, na hatafika kwao siku ile. So mchukue siku 2 ndio afike kwao. So uwepo wa koti hapa utasaidia sana katika utekelezaji wa haki na pia kupunguza gharama ya wale ambao kwamba wanahitaji huduma kutoka kwa mahakama.
Kumpongeza Chief Justice Koome ambaye ametilia mkazo katika koti iwe hapa Lungalunga. Hili ni jambo ambalo wananchi walipigania sana kutoka miaka 20 iliyopita.
Sisi tunatoa shukrani kubwa kwa sababu ni watu ambao tumepitia changamoto nyingi sisi wenyewe binafsi. Inafikia kiwango kwamba haki zetu zinakuwa mbali kutokana na kwamba pale ambapo unaweza kwenda kupata haki yako ni mbali. Badhali kule ni mbali, basi hapo unaweza uonewe kwa sababu unajulikana kwamba kutoka hapa mpaka kule hutoweza. Matokeo yake unapata maonevu. Kwa hivyo ikiwa serikali imeamua kutuletea koti, sisi yetu ni shukrani kubwa kabisa, na tunawaombea Mungu awabariki viongozi wote waliokaa kwenye meza na kulipanga swala hili.
Gotigana nayo abwatikene no bakorera kurwa save gambiro iminsi ya Kenya guikase county ya Machakos. Umugabara we county ya Machakos wa Vinya Ndeti ase ensemo yende nigamukirie abarayi gusaba MC bari bachorira kurwa se ensemo area ekurwe serikali amono monageri bwe bunge ye county ya Machakos asoko bege tango kyogwetia kibesa echo kimanyekaine buna wikwato ekiganje gikibesa kimanyekaine buna wikwato kibesa echo kiganiri gukigosira abangina amona basaye ase county eyo asense moyende umugabara bwe county yiga ya Machakos nigo boigo ayerere buna bari bonsi babeire bagutumeka kibesa cye county ya Machakos bobe na mono gutumeka amafuta y'ikigali cye county eyo ikiganiro gusangereria EUB erikwane kyo bakeno ase county eyo ngo kibari kwimukirwa egetambo kirukeri chikwa kerekeri bono obonyabi ubose obotukibwa cyakirwa korekana ase county eyo erikomanyana ki babere bakurwa obokorerwa abo ase county eyo eya mase ya mugwe kase county ya Machakos tiango toraligereri na raliaya agendere tukuru ase county eyo ase nkwani yaye bosi wechi obisi che county eyo.
Speaker wa bunge la Machakos, hizi vitu zote zilikuwa zimegazetiwa. Wekwato fund ni ya watu, ni ya mwananchi kusaidia yule mama ako pale nyumbani. Ilikuwa kwa order paper na ilikuwa imegazetiwa. Sasa ameuliza county assembly wakae chini, I think minority na majority wakae chini, waende wasikizane wataweka siku gani ingine. You see, that is a waste of public funds. How can you have more than 2, 3 special sittings? That is a waste of public funds. People need to be more mature. We need to think of the decisions we make that affect our people. When it comes to work, there is nothing personal. Kama ni kazi, kazi ifanye nini? Ifanywe. Nasema kazi ifanywe. Na mimi nataka kuwashukuru hawa wabunge watu wako hapa. Hawa walikuwa tayari kupitisha hiyo, hata kama ingeletwa kupiga kura, ingefanya nini? Ingeshinda. Kuna wengine wamezoea kutumia mafuta ya county vibaya, and we have an audit report. Mafuta ikiwekwa ya kwenda kubeba takataka, wengine wamefanya hiyo pesa ya takataka kama ni mali yao ya kuwa anachukua pesa. Tunajua vile wanafanya. Wanaenda hata petrol station, wanaenda huko, wanaenda kupatiwa pesa kwa petrol station. Nikwambie, here there is no mercy. And I'm not going to have mercy at you because you cannot allow. Hatuwezi kukubali. Hatuwezi kukubali. Watu wanatumia vitu za county vibaya, na yeye mwananchi anaendelea na kuwa mgonjwa. Takataka, ukienda Mlolongo police station, watu wanaenda kumwaga takataka hapo nje. Na ni wale, hata wale wa kubeba na mikokoteni. Tumewaambia takataka yenu mkibeba sasa, lazima zipelekwe kwa those areas that we have designated as dumping site. Hapa hatutakuwa na huruma kwa maneno ya takataka. Na ule mfanyikazi hawezi akafanya hivyo, nimesema afadhali atoke mapema kabla hajatolewa na mtu. Congratulations Kisoi, congratulations. Our new kid on the block from Wiper fraternity. Wiper! Wiper!
First and foremost, I would like to thank the Wiper Patriotic Front for the overwhelming support. And you know, I've been ambushed. I'm still learning, but at least I can match the energy. I think today after I was sworn in, one thing I learned is we must do what we have to do for the benefit of our community. And like I'd said initially, in most of the interviews that said, kindly, for the people who have been given the responsibility to represent our people, we must do what we have to do for the benefit of it. Let's politics stay aside and do what we are supposed to do. Thank you so much.
Speaker wa bunge la Machakos, hizi vitu zote zilikuwa zimegazetiwa. Wekwatio fund ni ya watu, ni ya mwananchi kusaidia.
Ase ense mwende tukuru ase county area Machakos wono toligererie obokoreri bwa borokia imensi ya Kenya magega yokwigwa negatia serikali amone byombe bya borokia imense bone kyombekeria gyokorika abari mwe mirimo gya TSC nigo kiagendere kurwa ogosegete guchiase aborokia bagendere kwerikia na boyo bagendere kubwaterana na ko enekia na nguchi bari konyoro obokoreri obya gwetera somurubiriri omonyekairi buna sha nonya kere kurwa bumutangane nigo baringima mincha yokwerikia somurubiriri yoiga ushabono nengakia ende engia baboliwe kugendera kwerikia na boyo kubwaterana eriwe chikoene kinankonyora bare obokoreri gwetera somurubiri uyigo bwo chinu umanyikaine buna shati gango turarigererie nararia yababwati kurase ensemo yabo.
Ian Consolata, he has been able to meet more than 10 teachers who are seeking medical services, and their response is good. The teachers have heard the challenges. They have told him there are some medical or other drugs which are very expensive and not been taken care of by SHA, and he has promised to handle those things. So we appreciate. As a union also, the 3-5 days we have been in SHA, comparatively the phone calls we received because of authorization, the capitation are suppressing, and we hope that this medical cover is good for the teachers, and we wish it will keep on improving day by day. What has happened is that most of the hospitals facilities which were in the other insurance program, we are enjoying all of them. So there is none which has been reduced. We are hoping that because the chair is here, teachers also want to go to Aga Khan, they want to go to Nairobi Hospital. Those are some of the hospitals seeking the indulgence of the Teachers Service Commission that we can be referred to the biggest hospitals in Kenya. They are not preserved for the very rich or other cadres of job groups. So, Chair, here are pre. We can even be referred to Nairobi Hospital, Aga Khan, Karen, all the big hospitals we have in Kenya. We would appreciate according to the kind of treatment one person is seeking.
So far, the need for the services is there, and the uptake and the response by teachers is very positive. I mean, we've seen quite a number of them coming to seek services. Even if we are to look at the number we found at our waiting bay, it's quite a remarkable number. This probably signifies that teachers are feeling better covered on this program compared to what they used to have previously, and we hope it is going to be sustained. Mainly, the major concern was there were some small minor hitches during the transition, and this was related to the system breakdown, and that one contributed to some long waiting time, which was probably well handled, and we think these teething problems are going to be surmounted soon.
One thing is that the transition was very smooth, very, very smooth indeed, because the data for our teachers, we gave them to SHA. Then the data of the patient who were in the hospital as per 30th of November, we gave them to SHA. So there was no hiccup at all in terms of transition. In terms of medical care, it appears the hospitals are becoming more receptive, and we want to thank the hospitals for that, and also the teachers. So in reality, teachers did not lose any benefit. If anything, there are more benefits than they were getting before. The empaneled hospitals by SHA, they are over 9,000. So they are in the farthest part of this country and as close as possible to the patients. In case some specialized treatments cannot be provided for in a certain area, then there is evacuation. And I want to reassure the unions, I want to reassure the teachers that this cover is taking care of all the teachers and their dependents. Regardless of the number, where the number is more than what the cover has, then you just under extra money, and then all the family members are put in. But it is taking care of the first beneficiary, who is the teacher, then 5 children and the wife. In case you have more than one wife, then you under little shillings, few coins, then even if they are 4 or 5, they are also taken care of. If you have more than 5 children, the same way, you realize that under little money and takes care of them. So I want to thank this hospital for the services being rendered, not only to the teachers, but also to other patients who are here. This cover takes care of, that's why I've talked of international treatments. You can go to Nairobi Hospital, you can go to any private hospital in Kenya or even outside. The good thing is that the teachers know their limits, just like any insurance cover. And the unionists have that. Even you can be given so that you can tell the teachers this is what the service you are getting.
Arena yu mwancho morigereria haya bwatikaine na obokoreri bwa borkia imeyense wikabagase county ya Isiolo omugabara bwe county ya Isiolo omanyekere bona Abdi Goyo nigaruro kubore gukia serikali kobekemero berio erikoene kiana abamenyi be county yo konyora bari oborendi bwise ni kinga kikigaboro ebikorwa bubegu bigendera te comment kara ase county yo asense moyende Goyo nigaruro kubore gukia sabarai banyarwe tanga korwaso kubwatu kamangana nabo yo kwebwatrani ase bikoro bigosegeta ogoturbani komorembe ase county yo ya Isiolo.
Kwanza nataka kupatia watu wa escort na jamii ya Audha pole mingi sana. Iko mtu yao mmoja ameuliwa pale na tujina amefanya kitendo. Tunataka kuambia kitengo cha usalama wafanye kazi yao, wahakikishe ule mtu ameuliwa huyo anapatikana na anapelekwa nini kotini. Hatuwezi kubali watu wanaamka kila siku wanasikia mtu ameuliwa. Na hiyo yote ni wanasiasa wachache wanapanga mambo kama hiyo ndio watu waende pale kupigana na hii Isiolo. Kama umezoea kutafuta viti kwa damu ya watu, nitaima mtapata hiyo nafasi. Mimi afadhali niwache kiti lakini nisitafute kiti kwa damu ya binadamu. Pepo mbaya walikuwa wanajaribu kuleta ndani ya Isiolo town, imekataa. Sasa wamepeleka huko Kina na wamepeleka huko Chari. tuchukue serious hii maneno ya watu kuja kupiga watu ndani ya town na kwenda. Hiyo ni maneno mbaya sana na hatuwezi ruhusu iendelee. Na wale watu ambao waliua watu hoteli wakifikiria tutawaacha waendelee kuwa watu wetu, sisi tutawachukulia hatua na tutakaa ngumu kwa kudili na wao. Juzi nimeongea na gavana wa Meru kwa sababu sasa nimeona Isiolo County na Meru County imekuwa kiwanja ya wahalifu. Watu wanaamka usiku, wanaiba ng'ombe hapa ndani ya Meru County, wanapeleka ndani ya Isiolo County, wanaenda nayo. Wale wakora wanashirikiana na hawa watu ndani ya Isiolo Town. Tunataka wachukuliwe hatua na tunataka serikali ilete SOG ndani ya Isiolo Town. Kwa sababu hatuwezi kubali Isiolo ikae kama Mogadishu, Isiolo ikae kama Ukraine kwa sababu ya watu chache. Na mimi naambia wao wanafanya hiyo maneno. Chief ambaye wanajua wakora wanaishi kwa nini kwao, waanze kujipanga mapema kwa sababu hatuwezi compromise on our people's security. Tumeona jamii. Na mimi nataka kuambia jamii ya Aula, tunawapatia pole mingi sana. Mimi kama gavana wa Isiolo natafutana na gavana wa Garissa pamoja na viongozi wa Garissa, tukae chini tuhakikishe tumetatua na kutafuta suluhisho hiyo mambo ambayo inasumbua watu ndani ya Kenya. Tunaelewa watu wa Zawia kweli? Wanakaujira. Sisi tunataka kaunti ambayo iko na usalama, kaunti ambayo watu wanakaa kama mandugu na madada. Ukitaka kura, tafuta kura kwa kuuza sera. Umeelewana? Tafuta kura kwa kuuza nini? Sera. Hapana tafuta kura kwa kupiganisha watu kwa kumwaga damu ya watu. Hii damu ya watu wanajaribu kumwaga itakupata wewe siku moja. Itashika familia yako siku moja. Kumwaga damu ya mwanadamu mwenzako siku ya rais bila watu wakufikia. So mambo ya security tumeanza kukulika na tutahakikisha hiyo vitu kidogo na sisi watao nimeisha. Na pia mimi nataka kuambia security team. Hii area ya Europa inakaa bunduki imejaa. Tunataka hiyo area bunduki haramu ziangaliwe, zichukuliwe na wenye bunduki wachukuliwe nini? Hatua.
Kurwase county ya Isiolo gwikase county ya Narok umugabara gwe county ya Narok ole ntuntu nigaruko bore gucia saba waziri amuna abakora imirimo be county ya Narok kubeka maganio yo mwananchi mutwe nabo igo kwandiki nawo bakora yo gwikira nukuru bore gucia se umwananchi gwe county ya Narok asibo igo asemirie abakora imirimo abayiga kubeka ubunchensemo neryo kwandiki na nkuru baro bakora riboisaine wichase abamenyi be county yega ya Narok ya mase mwekase county ya Narok tiango turali na ryagendere tukura sensemeyo.
And I want to assure you, through your work and through your advice, we have been able to achieve a lot, particularly on projects that we have promised our people. We have opened a number of maternity wings, a number of dispensaries, and roads network has improved. Despite other areas complaining here and there that they have not seen the tractors. But there is an adequate plan that those areas that we have not reached, we will reach eventually. The other very important thing that I wanted to remind you is that we were able to get insurance for all our employees, and I'm very sure that we will continue for the next year so that everybody will have an insurance. The outcry that we used to have, the bills that the employees used to bring to my office has at least gone down, and a number of people are getting the insurance and they are getting help. Again, I insist that each department, you must have a plan. You cannot have a performance contract and you don't have a plan as a department. I've seen about 4 or 5 that have developed their plans and others have not, meaning that you need to borrow from your colleagues what they have been able to do. Those of you who I already mentioned to you that you are yet not there. You're still struggling in terms of even understanding what you're supposed to do. But the third year, I think if we were to evaluate you by the end of the third year, at least everybody now understand what performance contracting is.
And all these responsibilities are cascaded from the performance contracting because those are the key performance indicators of every department. I know this is the third cycle of signing performance contracting, and I know quite a number of you have learned a lot. It has not been an easy journey, but I know with the little experience you have gained, now you'll be able to propel performance in your respective departments, so that the county government and even the governor can be able to fulfill the promises he has made to the public. He cannot do it alone. Unless you help him, unless you support him, be loyal as our pastor said, he cannot be able to realize what he has promised the public. There has been a laxity, a kind of a laxity, and especially in reporting to work by staff. We really need as departments to motivate our staff so that they are on duty. Because even if you cascade the performance, contracting key performance indicators, if the staff are not available, who will do them? So there is that general laxity which I don't know how it can be addressed by the public service to ensure that everybody comes to duty. Because unless really all of us come up and support the governor, we may not realize the objectives we have set.
Alena yukurwa se county ya Narok entingana yense ya Denmark umanyekaine buna Mary waikireme yense asetaro yaye ya matukatato abuase arganiwe no mu waziri wa magnetisi case comoses Todi Moses Korende Musalem Dabari amuno waziri Rebecca Miano asetare yaye imeyense nigara atikotarra orogongo rwa pwani abuo aseboigo ara chikuligerelia gusara chiwekira naso kuligerelia ama merobero aho yamagendero bosyo bogo chiwekira nasege karo kya gatano na kabere kimanyekaine buna yunea asichyo bisi chinene chia chobomo wechise aiga ase omuchoyo iga o Nairobi tiango turarierelie ayagenda takura sense meyu na boigo ogwika kwae imeyense. Miamano mwanchi umuriri asoko chawaren soko TV uboroso bwo mugusi chida ikamera 35 buri chinse nyichi abono mambiche Afrika ya muche wikiragabwo no tuwikira se enseme tangani turarasi umerie chiduka keigo na kura ubadaye ningirane na yande amange mambia bono no mugeri na chukira na ime studio na bwo badaye ninchiyo kumanya iguri kiameke ya ekikiaro sigwi imeyense kiameke ga ngoyo kero sirigose tiango turarasi umerie chiduka keigo.
Eje Nensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi
Keraga majenga tara Gaiketa oni ya nyamira na rena shauri zangwe Ngarorombo ijana Umozu wataya mabwari
Murigari bwa Nsoko TV Oyo no moroberio bwo kongolia mareko na inje mwana mboka Edwin Nyang'au Turabe tukumira na kila litu kulie iki Guchakera chinsa 11 cy'amagoroba wikenseyemo yabo tuko tugwakorire imirimo yawe yerituko kwabokire orosete uikaransitero yawe buyanda tasikerugo orambulete merondo kunyagusibero ngori nari ase screen ni chingero chikoletwa na mwanambuka Edwin Nyang'au ano to konyora chingero chionsi echiegita na chobenga kwa nubukano echiembegetere ndo gesongengo to amereria
Bakalia omoto yakabwatwa Obe bakalia omoto yakabwatwa Amatukemero ngena gaika kabwatwa
Ebagote bango yogose komo elio nero gose kabya Maiga yokonyora mangana mange korwa segete seni kia usigete Nsoko TV Boni go yakirenga kingo koleta nganya sai Nigonda koletro murobili kurkunga amegelio yebebelia Murobili nigonda olete amuna basomba banyasaye abu Australia ko batukwegera lingana sobwagale nantali yoka nonyora matera noena masabo noboroli ntunyale koba tukurwa ayankira lituko liye sabato liya bande bagotabanga Jumamos abande batabanga Saturday chinsa 12 chamambia ugweka chinsa ibere tomocha gekora nchumulisho ngaga nabasomba banyasaye ntokoletere umurubiri bweleson seseni
Ase muziki yabagaka eli abantu bakonga kongire chinengo chacha kiriko choga choga ya rumba
Momelia kenena poto Akeleko yekola mama
Naboigo ntukwiba basai ababakurwa jijenzi emisiki ekogenda bwange bwate chia talaku
Le général Dangote
anaweka oye mose kunambi Ricardo Momo oye mama Dangote
Netaliane Edwin Nyang'au Edwin mwana mboka nzube ya bololo tumerane kila litukulia Jumamosi kati ya saa 10 wika ensa AM
Chigosori inegatibo bundi obwo bwanchire na gotono mono nsengima nabono nigona yira mbarato asena bakoba kingo kwigekera emegano y'abanyangongo au kure bituna abyagusi abo obachire nkuma ase Chigosori au egati abo chinchire cy'abamonyoko amone bisero obyenkoyo ego ikachingongo au chinse imeyo muruberio ogwenda basi y'abanyangongo emegane yonse nigora enyore aiga imegeteseni kyao kyabene Nsoko TV oboroso obwo mogusi na inche Daniel Omwaga na botambe nigo bagontona Erieta Suarez
Ine asama kia ya mbireo Seino mbireo Asama matuko amaega obugima bwakira rituko bwomugusi nigo bware gusirwa n'oburimi rikomera riburga risamura byonsi asekerenga yokobeka ase ekiage ekemo ningi keire ribaga rikiage asinka yomugusi nobonchereria noborokia nobonyanyimbo gose nobwagachi asomoroberio wikiage kyomugusi nobe gokumerana na inche Frida Kerubo kera ritkoria ijuma chinsa ibere chamugoroba astogo sanga nomugusi korwa chingongo eliokumanya naki bakwenyorera engere yabo ya kera ritko omocha
mwancho muligereri Ensoko TV egeta sena mbeyemo aseliro baliagusi aiga no mugusi yakwa igulibaga na kunyara kwabaga gotegereru ase chinse 24 asa matuko atanabera seiki mwancho muligereri Ensoko TV nechikobwata ase chi county cheto ibere chiagusi ekse county ya Nyamira na county ya Kisii ase njira yoboikeranu na nene mono ntonyare kwabatoko genda ase bali bali chinse mo chire isiko yagusi sichinse mabuna ichana kuru mwancho muligereri elitonyara kwa batoko wa omugusi ora sensemo ya nakuru libaga elianyara kwa koigwewa na nemono ntonyara kwa batoko so asichinse mu Childoret no mugusi ora asichinse mu Childoret nera nyara kwa koigwewa mwancho muligereri ntonyara kwa batoko genda asibali barasa masamba una chinse mu Chiamolo aliaso mugusi yale enuletie tonyara kwa batoko ireke gusioro no mugusi anyara kwa koigwewa asenchera enkeranu chinse mu Mombasa ntonyara kwa batoko ikoro nelio mugusi nere anyara kwa gakoigwa asenchera enkeranu aiga omwancho muligereria segeta seni ya Soko TV no gotochi kwa bato gokora eke kurugeito tonyara kwa bato gokora asenchera bwenerete mwancho muligereri aiga ntokoreri bina nekera obwato muchando wasiririo yo mino mwancho muligereri tonyara kwa bato gokorareria okorari kwa nyagosira asenchera bwenerete Ensoko TV oboroso bwomugusi
ubugima n'urugendo rubwatamange amaya n'amabe umusakito Linet Nyambane niga ngaririe imena isiko yagusi na gusanga nabayaeteire nabakuyaetera
nchekera na ibole twe unango tebiwa ndabona ibole tukinde buya ngakina kinde buya ekerna chiwe ke miaka sta ngachaka ngodifer po ngoira sama go wani kamanya gutokanga na twali roba wana wacha gitego
aya nime yo muroberyo bo mwenori kirali tukule Jumatano chinsaiber chabutuko imeya Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi Eye ni Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi
mwancho muligereri Ensoko TV oboroso bwomugusi karibu na inde ase ensemo yende ya kabere togandira kurwalia ase twatigera gusika mutwe oyo kabere umugabara we county ya Nairobi Mike Mbuvi Sonko bora ligachakire kiamike ya ekikimanyekaine buna National Economic Development Party kiamike atebire kira chikubwatani aba Kenya bonsi guchakira abasaye nabo igo bali emyaka yabo ya engere guchigoro igo ase obwenge nigo aerere buna nigo kira chikoba ekiama ekyo kira chigucha na amaya amange nabo igo kira chigutwara monchiro au ase merio bra imensi to ya Kenya aya maseyemo paka sensemo eyende turaligere nara lyaya agendera tekurwa se ensemijo ya Mike Mbuvi Sonko ne kiameke ya ekigya chakiwe.
Today we are very glad the office of the Registrar of Political Parties has issued us with a full registration of our party, National Economic Development Party of Kenya. We started this journey in 2019 and then we lodged the documents in these offices in 2020. It has not been an easy journey, and I take this opportunity to thank the office of the Registrar of Political Parties and his entire team, our founder members. I think they're here with me. There are no new faces to you guys. For instance, our chairman is none other than Dr. Nyamu. Dr. Nyamu is a non-gynecologist. He used to be my director at Pumwani Hospital during my tenure as the governor of Nairobi. Then we have our SG, Ben Mulwa here. He also used to be my PA. We have Honorable Nancy. We have a team of Gen Zs here. We have the Kebu president, Madam Masai, who is the deputy party leader. We have another here, Mr. Manyara. We have Vice Chair Dr. Rashid. So you can see we have the whole face of Kenya is here with us. So we're thankful to God. We thank also our staff, our entire team. Dr. Nyamu is here. Dr. Nyamu is the famous gynecologist who used to be the director of Pumwani Maternity Hospital. He's our interim chairman, and I'm the interim party leader. Now we are going to forward our constitution here. We are going to follow a democratic process of electing leaders through the delegates, through the wananchi. Hii ni chama ya Wakenya, ni chama ya wananchi wote. Hii ni mwanzo mpya kwa Wakenya. Tumechoka na zile vyama vya zamani. Sisi sasa tunasikia chama gani. Since I was in nursery school, we are hearing of names who have been there for decades. Today, hii ni mwamko mpya. We have a party that I'm the interim party leader. Maybe I can give our chairman here to say something, and SG. Chairman, karibu.
Habari zenu. Hii ni National Economic Development Party. Party ile inashughulikia uchumi wa mwananchi wa Kenya, na slogan yetu ni uchumi na mwananchi. Leo tumefurahi sana kupata hii party certificate. Sisi ni the 92nd fully registered political party, na tumepata hiyo certificate kutokana na the new registrar of political parties. Na tumesema asante sana. Sisi ni founder members wa hii party, na soon tuta announce officials and NEC members wa hii party going forward. Asanteni sana. Thank you.
Yes. Good evening, good afternoon, members of Port Estate. My name is Ben Mulwa, the Secretary General of the National Economic Development Party. And we want to take this opportunity to thank first His Excellency Governor Mike Sonko for the support, the tremendous support that he has accorded us in this journey. This is a journey that began 5 years ago. And as you can see, we have gone through every single step that is stated or stipulated by the Political Parties Act. And today, we stand here to celebrate this major accomplishment that gives the ordinary Kenyan a political party formed by Kenyans for Kenyans that is aimed at revolutionizing our politics and causing the next economic revolution in this country. There is no doubt that our country has been headed in the wrong direction for the last 6 decades. But finally, the people of Kenya have risen, and we have an opportunity to change our governance and create a political party that grants an opportunity to each and every citizen of this republic, regardless of where you come from. Lastly, and most importantly, I want to take this opportunity to appreciate the Office of the Registrar of Political Parties. I can guarantee you, after the rigorous process that we have gone through for the last 5 years, there is no doubt that briefcase political parties will no longer find room in this country. So we look forward to working with every Kenyan, like-minded, that is looking to transform this country. And this is the opportunity. Welcome you all to the National Economic Development Party. Asante.
So for gender purposes, I'll welcome one of my deputy party leaders, Madam Masai. She's the president of Kemo University. You can convey your remarks.
Thank you very much. So today we are witnessing history being made, and we are starting the first party where youth are not just part of the youth chapter, but part of the leadership. Because as the youth of this country, we have decided we no longer want just a seat at the table. We want to be planning the menu. So with NEDP, we are going to be part of planning the menu, because our future belongs to us. and we should no longer leave other people to decide what our future should be. So we are encouraging all the youth to register as voters and to join NEDP, because this is where the future is at. Thank you.
Another deputy party leader.
My name is Anthony Manyara. I'm the deputy party leader, and I think what we have come here today to talk about unanimously is to say that this is a party for young people in Kenya, basically, because as we know very well, wanasiasa wametumia vijana for a very long time. We have had several demonstrations trying to see how we can be able to push for better economic times in Kenya. And now is the moment that we have a political party we can own as young people. So in my own understanding and in my own vision is that next year we'll have a robust exercise of mobilizing youth across the country to register as voters, so that in 2027 we'll have the best candidates contest in these positions. Number two, also, it is important to note that there are I think around 91 political parties. Hakuna chama ambayo specifically imejitolea kusema ambayo itakuwa inashikilia maslahi ya vijana. This is the political party which will be able to enroll as many youths as possible from the nooks and crannies of this country, so that we can ensure also the young people have a voice that is heard and that can be able to ensure that they also get a chance to contest in 2027. So this is a defining moment, because right now we are fully registered political party with offices. Hii chama ambayo ni briefcase, kwa sababu kama venye mmeona the registrar of political parties has said, we have offices in the 24 regions in this country, and we are still expanding. So in my own opinion, young people are much welcome to join this political party, and it is the party that we are so much proud of today. Thank you.
Any other person?
Question to the party, interim party leader.
Yes.
You mentioned that this party largely focuses on economic development, but this is what you've seen largely by extension what parties promise, but when it comes to office, they...
Okay, actually, this party, we are going to, first of all, bring leadership down to the grassroots. We are going to involve everybody, every Mkenya yote ule atakuwa mtu wetu ya karibu. We have engaged a team of professionals. We have technocrats. We have watu wako na specialists in mambo ya economic matters. So going forward, people should expect a very big change from our party, unlike the other parties which come with empty promises, giving false promises to Kenyans. Ours is kuleta uongozi mashinani. So guys should expect a very, very big change. We have seen the kind of team we have engaged in our interim leadership. Yeah, we have Madam Masai, who is the president of KEMU. We have Mr. Manyara, who is the KUSA president. We have Ben Mulwa, our SG. We have another doctor here. We have Dr. Nyamu, our chairman. So we are focused now to deliver to Kenyans.
Let me add something also. Yes. I want to make it very categorical clear that this is the party which will have the most powerful party leader in Kenya. Simply because huyu ni jamaa ambayo tumeona watu wamewekea mitego for a long time. Wamekuwa wakijaribu kutafuta namna ya kumvuruta chini. Kwa nini wanamvuruta chini? Kwa sababu because he knows he has the support of very many people in Kenya. Mimi nataka kusema ya kwamba tukiwa na Sonko kwa hii chama, unajua kuna vyama vingi sana zimekuwa registered lakini havina party leader. Hii ni chama ambayo we have a party leader who is known in every corner of this country. Hakuna mtu ajui Sonko. So going forward, hiyo gari ishasonga. Kwa hivyo, as we continue, expect us to go to the corners of this country. Na utaona ambayo tutasimamisha even presidential aspirants, tutasimamisha governors, tutasimamisha MPs, tutasimamisha MCS. Watu wasikuwe na uoga. This is the political party of choice for every person aspiring to contest in any position in this country. Thank you.
Maybe in addition to what he has just said, this is not about Sonko. It is not a one-man show party. We'll undergo a democratic process in electing our leaders, either through our delegates or through our members who are grassroots. So see, Chama, it's not about Sonko. any person willing to become the party leader, they can come. And then we do a democratic process. When they are elected, they'll become the party leader. It's not about Sonko. It's about Kenyans, about the youth of Kenyans. Yeah. Yes.
I think I can also add something that very soon, this is just, it marks the end of our registration, and we'll be coming soon to launch the party, where we are going to talk about our manifesto. We just talk about what changes we are going to bring, what is different, what is our ideology. But this one will come during the launch of our party, which will be very soon, and we will invite you. Thank you.
So, this is a party for all Kenyans, and it's too early for us to went up. We shall be having maybe coalition agreements, but we can even go all the way to the ballot. We can fix even a presidential candidate. Asi lazima ikuwe Sonko. Any guy with presidential ambitions atakuja kwa ballot yetu through the democratic process, as I've said. Akichaguliwa, we'll sponsor him all the way to the ballot. So this is the party of all Kenyans. Hatukwamba kuongea mambo sijui ya Wiper, sijui Kasongo, sijui nani. Sisi we are a party of our own. Yes.
Will you be running for any office under this party?
Who now, me or our candidates? Is that question to me or the excellent
governor?
Yeah. I know where you are heading to. You want to talk about my impeachment, which is a very good question. I'm very sure you're all aware that I lost all my appeals at the court, all the way from the High Court, Court of Appeal, the Supreme Court, and I'm admitting that I lost. But guys are just talking just for the sake of talking. Yeah? They are expressing law in a way that favors them. I want you guys to look at Article 193, sub-Article 3. It talks about the eligibility of a candidate. Yeah? Article 193, sub-Article 3 says, if you have an impeachment or you're facing any decision or a sentence like mine, the impeachment, you have to exhaust all avenues of appeals. It doesn't end there, or reviews. I agree, I've exhausted my appeals, but I've not exhausted my reviews. I have new evidence that has come. The move of my impeachment, and Asama was intimidated to lie about me. Yeah, the speaker, William presided over my impeachment. He has said he was intimidated to lie. The move of the second, the current governor of Isiolo, who was the leader of majority at that time, he has sworn an affidavit as well, which is before the Supreme Court, and said he was forced also to lie. Yeah, these facts are also before the Senate. Yeah, the Senate also wrote a letter to the Supreme Court. They have withdrawn all their earlier negative affidavits about me. Yeah, so I've not exhausted my reviews. I've got very good fresh grounds for review. And once you file those particular grounds, the Constitution, not Sonko, the Constitution says if you have an active review before any court, will be on the ballot. Yeah, recently the East African Court of Justice has faulted the Supreme Court of Kenya. You know what they did? Yeah, I was not given time. I was just ambushed after being cleared in Mombasa to become the governor of Mombasa. Just after a few hours, the Supreme Court called us for hearing. Yeah, they had forgotten even they had not given us directions to bring our evidence. They just ambushed us. Yeah, and that has already been faulted by the East African Court of Justice. So I've got very good evidence to move to any court of law, even to convince the Senate, because my impeachment from the my motion from the County Assembly was full of lies. Yeah, it was through deceit. So I've got the powers. The Constitution empowers me to go back to court to seek for justice. And you know very well, I've got an issue with our sister, the CJ, whom we respect a lot. We have a lot of respect for the office she holds. But she went to Spice FM some few weeks before my case before the Supreme Court and talked about this matter. Yeah? She said we are not going to allow any impeached governor to be on the ballot. Once impeached, always impeached. She had already formed an opinion about impeached governors. Yeah? We had a case where one of the judges at the High Court, the presiding judge, Justice Chitembo, why was he fired by the JSC, the tribunal, the Supreme Court, and the president? One of the grounds, Justice Chitembo went to a public TV station, KTN, and talked about my case. Why is law applied selectively in Kenya? Do we have rules for Justice Chitembo and rules for Martha Koome? No. She has to go home. That is gross misconduct.
Karibu nainde mwanchu morigereria magayo kanyoro mugano uyo o Mike Mbuvi Sonko uyo chakire kia Mike yeke makena National Development Party. Karibu sana emambia ya bono chidaika abundu chine chiarigire chinsa isano chia bono mambia kirikiri na ningu kwira sense muyende nkwariga ni omugene ite mambia bono mi studio to chikosanga monere mambia yega iriko kwanira amangana au ayiboigo abwatikine no brai amagendero nabega no nyensiasa naboiga sense muyeri ne tokora tabana mentorship yo musaye iriyo gusiro musaye na kwenikira musaye nera nkwenyolera ari gusenkwerigeria ari nabwe kwenyolera ebitoki ase wese wetera sinchira chinde au bwatie wetera sinchira mutandao bwekera Facebook iga sensemeri ya YouTube Nsoko TV namba ya mawasiliano nigene noti isano na ibere isano na isatu isano na isatu isano na mumara gatano omwerio beka isatu. Karibu sana Brian emambia ya bono na kiribya okwanyu mwanchu murigereria korwa bwoto chake asubwa memambia ya bono.
Asante sana omuraria so konyarigani studio rero terita nkoro ku Brian Nyamota korwe county ya Nyamira West Mongrango constituency award ya Bonyamatuta kinoroge koroku Nyainogo ande nonde gaigana inu rero taririta nachira usangana inu ari agenderetense ite Kenya.
Asoko chaka subwango mono tiatu chake no mugano uri urure asembe uyu Mike Mbuvi Sonko uchakire kiama abo ekeya ekiama ekekera tokirige kuna National Economic Development Party kire kiama cha kire nandu inyorera ekero kurarigereria no nyemuntu atarabana ni kiama uchakia nigo tokurarigereria na there before ni kiakorire wenyore ni garuse tu wabisio mwaka w'echilifu ibere merongo ebere yaringe December 15 na ebere naria abete impeached kurwa se county yiga ya Nairobi ataracha nyone ni kiama ikachakira atebana no muchaka no muya na kira chigukina amaonchereria majya nyone no burayo buya naboiga senseme yo tebire na abange ntubate byama asinkwana yani gatebetena ebyama mbere byaberoro libikoro sana ebyama ibono byagotire enenga kibono yugutwara amaonchererio naboiga muchakano umuya tutarachi wikira soko linyone ni kiama ike tiango turarire na mungso kiora chigocha wetra sero monyene tutarachi kumubwatani amoni kiama ikigachakira because metanta abange bagwazo shete kiama no monyene kiama guseni ngomotenereri we kiama ikiga
Maente ekiame kia Sonko ya kwandru mono no nyongo bwaritu akwate binge kiame kia kacha kwa DCP na ebinde biro ya kwandru mono sana na ende korukaro mande jina renga murai baba sa Kenya ntu arengo no Nairobi antu akora siasa kaigo ekiame kia Sonko nkia ganyire sana ruma sinja rengo ngato taramnyo kandons tigatura ganya to rengi Sonka gote abanki agocha bona abande tu abgotenga nega sorry ekiame kia chire kia gosira abange mono rigeria abantu bagosuru siasa ya Nairobi bonega bono mainte byama mbere
bikona eri guchuchaka guchinji kwanza tutarage na nyone nechinsemo chinde
Nairobi ana yego chakera Nairobi ana yego chakera bono ya inkubitirira abantu bande the drawing table basa ko ibanga byo byambe bigota banebi nene mante kyamanga ncho dia mungoranga mangana story ayo maintera tuakore bono barabuno kunya kubona toroche kari bakunya komusana byokorra abantu barase bakunya komusana byambe byo bikorokoro kana bona biro bya chakira korwa on the table so dio muntu ke bwatora ngo control bwanchire taiya bono roche Nairobi ga Sonko nanchire Sonko diaga ndi abantu mbaro dia abantu bamoganeti botambe no hare dia abantu abwate mechando ngango takorubare chinyomba maremo ngo gurubare Sonko n'abantu bari naturally banchire bone gento keria baraya bange baganyete kyama batene ndre Nairobi yachire bono bachakire okwana ngaka itogo chaka ono Sonko bakori ngaka itogo chakira bayi Sonko baraye bono Sonko nenda ngushaka tore serikali ya bono serikali gocha 2027 no nyenere guchara ko bene goshon teberi gote wananchi ntegeke neke sabuta ko mutata go commiss number haya
asense muyende nigo tukora teba na etofauti na era orenene egati yo murai alafu no mwana siasa egati ebintu biri byagerete Sonko gacha gutumwa of course ama mamochana aringe make abange mbare bakomorora buno mwana siasa na abande mbare bakorora buno murai na abandi bari bakomorora buna nigare combination yo mwana siasa amo no murai asense mu yaonga yo kumubeka no murai buronke gose no mwana siasa gose ne combination yo murai amo no mwana siasa
omainte Sonko are Beyonce no mwana siasa are no murai are mainto murai baota bize leader wikonya ko leader abantu asencherere ndonge na ndo mwana siasa is a play of my mindset kesera mindset ya abantu koranga abantu bachire nsemeri yotegete Sonko is both if you are able to lead abantu bao asoboronge aino murai na ende siasa onyo kunyara ko muse wevu gete kunyere nchara geto tegete ngabone kyama ikyachire yonsi ne yu siasa mandri you are both omurai no mwana siasa then you are able to go far as a kwende vision yao onyo mantena is Sonko na Raila mbare kategoria yao manda no Raila renge boto mwana siasa no mura ina kya bantu ari kumubwate ryoka na kwa garre bake kyama yao DM bonega keromba kabonega the same thing with Sonko bono ikyame kya yachakire kochori ko musabantu tari Nairobi yoka chinse amwa gorra kora abantu bako musabantu no yenu ukambani ngoja komororo bono ukambani ngoja komororo bono kwanja gari yare Kalonzo manda abantu baraba kone byamwe bikoro ngabo Kalonzo bagwenta kuri tana baragenda
nabate bateni byamwe mbere byaberege bikorosana byakoruire biganire ko ruoro
kisura njura twagwenta turusi oro siasa inga kebone ngatukurana na baro abantu nga Kalonzo tubarusi question yeyo no nyenga chagwa na baro babere nga kia koruba chimentare chichi bagwata cyabo kana na bato bantu barusi oro na baro baragenda tunyari kisura chinyi habono siasa yabono manda abantu nga babogino kisura chinyi umuntu ngasonga ari umuntu bere siasa ke kamono roje na beta ke gora kabe mu chumba kachakobega bana mande siasa ya Nairobi ngere nkongo wakateri obonge akuisuka kagenda bono wekato ari ntu ikatorwa ni tore twatira chisura chinya no nyelu Nyanza abantu mbara mantemba watekende bare ngokore igetene ya bare ngotumiera bono ngatocha kana chukura 2027 chisura njiro tariko chikorra kari mbara bakwenda nande onto yoko chikuba konya so yoriyo ukawatira ko wako taiyo no nyen cost nguchera korra what I believe ono siasa ya bona gatocha kagenda chisura to chikorra parliament ne county assembly ne chisura chistarengo no nyino bagabana bara bare ngotari tario monto basoime no nyengu siari twara abantu batebre nga abantu mbara bakwenda gutara na matiangi mono bagwete nga gutara na matiangi into ba into chikurige yekyo into chikurige yekyo into kiriya abantu batokaye na tokobeka no nyembari bakwenda gutara na matiangi bakwenda gutara matiangi bakwete abantu kende mose bagusina abantu abangahini chisura chiko chikosawa gari ne chinyi tinga wa surprise ya abantu bari bonse baro chiem pishire nganyamira kisi ose chikwende chisene tabari barushirwa bonse I won't be surprised so the mindset y'abantu yachakire go change na ndo man ntanyo turi kunyara wikira abantu baganye mante chinga kisto mate n'ikiri chinkongo economy yakongire kende gyonzi baho kobekera turi kunyara wikira abantu bahange obahere senche ngomo chumbe ekina kinkonyara gukora ekina kitari kunyara gukora na kongo asa koira na sauri amagosa ayonspi na yo kobekera bona ndo bawo wikira abantu babange na bogushikora go burayo ujira kora na abantu bari batamanyiri from nowhere basokire basoiro burayi siasa around ye nenko that's what I can say
ase ense muyende bona tetura ne bona ase ekyame kega na bona ase county eyega ya Nairobi abantu mbare balia ekomo chikorekana na barase kyamagete lakini uko musana na nkoro ororo ni chikonyarikana na bono niko barachi baba batamwa kurwalia bachi ku join ekega na ada sense muyende nganchire nkoira ni bakase enkwana yo mo raiwe kyama gya DCP Rigathi Gachagua especially ase county ya Nairobi alia sole no nyina ebono mambia nigateba na umurubiri nororo nko igwote be kwanigete na Kalonzo baigwana nere na bono bro bawo chigutenenia omo governor ase county ya Nairobi omo senator omo wakilishi bwabangina igembire tina kwane yega abange bagotabana ubunu burayi burachikorana no burayi gete bubwate ubogesaku yani kuregesaku eke mubono kirachikora county AM ekero kubwatenya amangana yonsi pina boyegase ensemeri okwebanga buna ebyama na kiura yakwanire asobwagarira boyego uchiase mwana inchi no mumenyi be county ya Nairobi
umuraria yentekemo bakenya mbali barisi ande bakenya mbali ko bwate weveri ngabono muna siasa gitotebre tumubwate go blind yahe mainte mubwati umuntu moko cyasegete agwengoreme kware nkumubwati mwenzi moko gwengoroyi mante minute ngari yabaye ko barebo ka Nairobi na bagasoke kerogete one tribe alone cannot produce a leader Nairobi ne bwata abantu abange population yabaruya nta bangere population yano ene yabagusina nta bangere yabakamba nta bangere watabanga watene ndiyo mweko yogweka takoira we are dependent on one another aba iko yaba mbaganeti yabagusi mbaganeti yabaruya mbaganeti yabakamba mbaganeti yabagere osokiyo murahigete muri bategete one enkwane mbande twa enchire ching nara bwatiri ching kwana cha Rigathi Gachagua none n'abantu abange to gusira abantu abange bacha banya gukwana siri bakoteba kwa Erasmus wabo Kalonzo na oyonde banya gutara no muntu because yo mante none na twatara central bate abantu bandi tegure bagoteba ngate Erasmus wabo atioyo abantu n'abange they have very many options they can choose from tari Erasmus bataya nere these people na baka wasi team ya wanda baso ke president without him na the central Mount Kenya yuwaga makunya kolera nganga nero nyobugato nyornale yancho kira jira semende we saw in the by elections what happened manto we ka abantu baso ka ba honest Osa uri bantu ikirenga kinchen korra muntu yakari ko bully abantu bande. Ochakira ko bully enchiragete. These leaders must be realistic and tell them the truth. Oisaranse obe humble korna para ibande gas ntu abate ko abara ko centro ngaba Uhuru Kenyatta. Uhuru Kenyatta was a very humble man. Na korte gas na kiro muntu. Abara ibande no nyoma Kibaki na renkorro na korte gas na kiro muntu. Nurigo no nyarift bare kare limo ya rengorro. Mo ya mainta ko nyare weka. Na renge na bantu bande na barabo akabata na barabo akasokyo borai. So leadership is not about one tribe. Don't be too tribalic. And no ya bara ya wande bakoraka chakwa very too tribalic or very bully. They can go without him. They can go without him. Centro ne wata ora ya banga bako imusana nyembra ngo banyene mama intera bwa banyene boka mbago sokyo murai. And after all abantu barangetu no nyabanda nga matiangi. No muntu murai yorengo ronga ajija ndizina barangetu wa matinga kata ibinchwa gato wa borai. So these people can move alone and work. Ngati mwanyendro ngo gere story ya Raila no tiraira lire baringe parliament baringe na wabo rutamo. A story ya mawe karete shida. Raila Odinga akateba I'm ready to pay the price. Abantu bande renga ke Rift Valley kamotama nanda katema kanda kamobilize abantu bandaba ngao. Na nyagarati manota irete na nyagarati. That so abara ya bandala them not fear utamo ko isolate na abantu bari bande barochi bare chibuli bare too tribalic te abatike bachense mende bayibange buya they will go far. That's what I believe. Onye sonko ngayibangira nere ngo cyare konyagari. Sonko no murayi w'abantu bonse. Takwati bokabire ntito nyako tkoyiba batabanga bakamba abayikoyo abagare tanye koyiba okwa negentekyo. No muntu straight forward. Yeah.
Ase ense moyende tubwatege ntikirige ko kwabuna mentorship omwanchu murigereria. Gwikira bodi gase twikeire ekera tukonya okwanira yaiga nige ko mochikorekana na abasaya bange mbatagitigo koba mentada mbaga tikuba mentada because mentorship yega ngose koba amaigerio na boigo koba orokene kibagana irikora usase kende gionsi mentorship ye korwa number 1 korwa se abarayi bali barabe irororo egiya kabere mentorship yege korwa weterase nonyene chiskuru ekiya gatatu mentorship yega nige korwa weterase nyonene community yaito ase tokorwa ntubwata barayi bali barase a community mentorship yega boigora boikorwa weterase amaigerio nyonene korwa se chiskuru mentorship yega boigora boikorwa usira begocha weterase nonyene okomera na igakera tuomeranire igakitokonya ukwana kitokonya kosanga you still mentorship lakini wekera bani yagatobekana inwa buna basaye kende gionsi iko na mentorship nigo mogo konya weyatanana na mentorship ya singe nchondo wensi yokotema ko barako barokeria nigere na abutu aruro ntugati banya gototebye ebyo ebitu atebwe emyaka ne emyaka bono engakiene yaito tigatochine kerengere yaito nemerobire yaito neye dase kya basaye bange bagweyatanana na mentorship tubayete twensi na mentorship na ere kwagacha litukoliya nkyo kero kubwati ya yegonsi
mainte umuraria system munchiro tubwatao koru Kenya ndi wachete skuru ngwarenge ngwachete baby class ugacha nursery ugacha kaenda primary ugatiro gatireka high school ukande college ne university nchiro mante tigabarai bari baroro bamanyenga chi system cha change. How much can we mentor basaibaito na in season kierengia na nenta mkitora abanyore manda wana economy yakongire ngomo ntakora form 4 awere exposed to gochobogima wana manto bargo twara chinga kchebinto bindo gushikunya go isara ntonye bargo shikonya allowance mentorship wendonge na ndawa sayabange kina kibago cha bakwandira onye mwanto mentor tuarenge primary mwanto mentor tuarenge chi high school mwanto mentor tuarenge university bona gatinga kinchiyo bona economy yakongire ngomo ntakora high school ga oseri abantu bare university bachakire koriya besa bachakire korenga nkibakuragira ngakibaho koreke bona origere generally abasai bachakire go itomenchira gete bako imenta barabwa abanyene batari ko wisaransa abanyene byombao abe mentored one mande when those who are in leadership na wawente barra tambenga ibintu bya change yakego ibintu bya change ntokore ibintu kare ntokore ibintu bya kare bonega so ibintu bya kare bonega ibintu mbere bitakorega singe mentorship tigabone ruchi school tigeruchi university igari ariwo korangaria abana
konse bari bagokina
so bona yo amangana
bakora tena tokonyara gukumbira umuteigoro
nonye mindset y'abantu yachakire go change tigabachakira ari abantu ba university tigamba cha complain bari ba complain mandira kwante ba webiranya ke bagate ngo umwana ngo mudakora mentorship baria mapema ribare garia mande bona gano no anda shi group chira sawa sawa ba okwana ebintu akonyara bona ba okwandra ne biringa ki ebesa kende nke abantu sasa abantu sana stand tokonyora ebesa ngakito correct tonyora ebesa iga ngakito correct tonyora ebesa ga amangana mentorship ere bona ibintu abantu ba okwandre perspective abantu ba tware ne ngao nebesa mentorship tigakorwo skuru college na university
ase ensemo iga ya mentorship nigo turase chinga kichiria of course vunensi yetu ya Kenya nigegenderete ase serikali ya bono nigegenderete guchakia mirobero au na bono ngwaruche murobero no rucha getwario kuruko buna nyota nemirobero iga ni riba kwerera na nemirobero ra chyo kwanya basanyano gwechakia ase ensemo eria yobonchiriri na bogo kwenyorera ngwaruche kolera baraba otebere bese iganiri kwena nwanigera around 50,000 nto bwatu murobero kuruko na hustler fund gwikira boniga serikali ya korire guse wikira boniga serikali ya nekiri nabasaya abaiga koenderera bari gokinwa na gosirwa asenchira erengi kiranu wetere merobiri yiga because wikira boniga umurobiri toro chali no lyonyota hustler fund no chitega teka nabasaya basa bo moyeti lakini murairania ine wikira boniga serikali ya bekire merobiri mekiranu kwena kinambo abasaya kwenyorera bari miremo na barabo kwegendera libale
bainte system ya president ya reta nengia ya nyota fan mainte entonkero perspective yaro tuja tuatware nchira getenga muntu narora ya siringi 100 akorre gento gete naro ko eribubonega ero nabwataga iria ke biasara nga tengende ngoro bwanga gete kwa mitumba ikaboke bakaba kaiga ngoni narora enonye eribumoja eyo temokonya andariera mandas naro nandora eribu amusidi kani yabwate mechande minga madeni ya mange atero nyasaye mbijamono aenda akora madeni yae mante pesa tiri mante kare chifandi nchoro chi serikali ya karure kare ya wante byo membro to wate kare bya serikali cyangwa kiti cyabo kibaki mwaka chere bese yo onyo turenda training weka moibeke ebikundi egrupu moche mwase munga mwosa kebya sara inkenki erinde mwatiga mwanda mwakora mwagro maintenga kiba siti ya gasoka ya raising abone ga mubantu kwanda ngasti kwa bateri star 5 star 254 kwanyore bese process
emara ko bikuwe bikundi mwanyora maigerio
kabisa
ebese yamanya utesoka
ebese yamanya utesoka ona cyo konyora abantu ari bakanyora bese kare at least bagendereire nande serikali yarenge kin ko bwatire ni biasara cyo kubeka ngai mo kubeka those procedures were being followed mbante bone yabone gabono bate banjeni zit shortcut bakotora so long as tira ku educate morari ngana koire besa gite lakini besa na koire nemukate ibya getokore biasara gitenjere igana na bagokonyeka guso kore biasara ebinebi na bagokonyeka manta bank boitokora twasa bachubesa ryoka twacha ko teme biasara rutanya okora yako naro kordanga bantango tugabare chingo kombu ya bakora nero mnyoka ochigo kore kasi iyo chingoko kandi bintu mbirata mente bya chingo ko nga treatment ye chingo ko cyo yakoro chiakwa ogenda asara oja bosami wori mboyo these people will not grow that's one abuno gocha konyoranga chinvestor manje chinvestor na bange bakorusi kuna ende esere card no into wananchi do chinvestor chinyinge chesco they will come na ndenko grow bali nanda bange bari bagocha korata bara abantu kuri country kinde bakore gasi ona abasaya batase miribuya bagwe base sani bakore biasara bakine na barabo ogocha konyora bona abantu ba control biasara Kenya na abaisiko into baime tobenga ende system area South Africa mante kwa ras juzi amanda wana ko South Africa ali bate batenga abantu baisiko baachire bayirire mpaka chigas kiregento barabo
na wereri bagalina ne
ono tutabete kiafu na intunga ba Kenya na wotura korera ko genda gabo onyambone ganoro cha abantu bachakira goteke ni biasara binene na maiso tari lazima tokwane ntoroche
urabona gera se ensemwe isilimuina na bokorana bari babwate chinyumba chiri kinene nabo igo babegete biasara ime bari minsetu ya Kenya nande banyore citizenship yetu ya Kenya lakini bari ba Kenya tari yaboka nonye Westlands yenda chio teri chinene bako tawa Steve Franklin hotel chiwa kwa nonye chi kwenda chinene chinyinge nchiri chi ba Kenya so asobo sombi para
aso ona maente the government must be very careful on how to handle this ni nandro cha abantu abajenzi zitali bantu bako sorry bahimo ke barenga ona byangire inse yetu ya iruru you can imagine ingi barakore so this kind of situation should be handled very carefully kero ko muntu yori wa musini inki yako chiyokora bosa kabanta bawo sa mibosa mantu barone naba echibintu mbira banga kabara nane ngachi CBO abantu rinde bachamo bakore community development na ratisi biona wateru bakore training bakana chiri wibere training chibese chimo konya tiya saba kana chirusie kenda yonse ko register yo konya basaye tiakonya ko kati basa chinyinge tiya serikali beke chibesa nkego ba register bachamo baisemi bakonya ni empower this generation our generation into robonega empower has but also as much as investor bako rusiko na into tware share ito ya investment asense yeito ya Kenya. Yes.
Togenda baka sense mwinde togotebana no gutumiki we mitandao yekerero. Orobotiro rali rukorokira basae mbuya bagendere tukoendera lakini nigo bagutumika mutandao bobe mbaliko enekyo butumiki bo mutandao asenjira erendonge irigwekinya na barabu kwegendera likurinde nigo bako enekyo butumiki bobe bwe mitandao.
Omanto omararia mutandao na bange tumutumira ngabasae muno munase byasira no bakonye ebintu ebindi abantu bakonya bakora bahote bangobobe eri free time abantu babwate niri bakorre chigas chao ne byasara naribona umuntu agoso mutanda ari ori rinki agenda te Kenya inkyo yakwana no bakonya comment banya kurutama ngana rinki but me I can be a testament abasaya bango tumira maro umutandao ase byasara. For example TikTok tawata nyasa mjama tara TikTok ye manda bamatukaya abantu abankwanyora bachiro bakwanda barente obuduka buriyo bakaka space akakamna katorega babeke ibintu gitu bike bacha online bona bakwa bate bangakora ba delivery eduka yabone yerega nyote te delivery inchuga iga abanga konyora TikTok bare no nje bintu bingi ngokora ne bikoro tonkora monte post TikTok eduka yanera sagete nagenda no nje Facebook kwa mbaka abantu bachakiro korosti Facebook chao pages chao ne byasara ndabantu abangiriyo kokanda korra nabasai bona abagate bango tumira bare mutandao bobe ne yabantu ribare free time yabo mbara bakwenda aliye barame yiwe taribiya mbara ali bakwenda ba express mind yabo ba express frustration yabo nero hidina to kate bambo bere so nero mbya ko express kire ke whatever byabo but as far as you are going manta bantu nabakoranga basaya bangi margo tumira social media buya mbanga ine ka basaya we know them, they are using those social media sites responsibly okorebia sara and they are growing. Yes.
Nabo igo ase NCMA yo gutumikwe mitandao yekara tubakana na abange no nyimo kurika mangana ngwate bana na mangana yokurama nabandi bari bago critic abande mbaro konyorana bari bakobeka mangana ari amaronge lakini again tukerikirigere gwikira bona igabura togoteba inkeri na mutandao bwekerera norororo lakini ase torochi ngwaroche nse ya Uganda ngwaroche ke bakorete muraiwense area Museveni ate tena ase ikirimo batezo cha control na bona babekena mutandao gwekerero ni chikampuni chiri chonsi ipi chikwena na obokoreri we mitandao chinyari gotenere ne serikali na liye serikali era nyari kubeka ebitango tura ne minsi tu ya Kenya lichikondire liya cyber crime wekera bona iga metendi aste likakwanira matukabira atatu wekera bona iga ntumanye tinga iria steri kagenda gucha so far so good na ki lirache gotokonya na moneka turuchi umu obochori bo mwaka we chilifu ibere 25 nibere
mande ritaga ninja ankora bantango bagotware perspective yeriche keringa iria chitenge serikali yo cheka chinga kichiri chikura
icha ko regulate icha ko beke bitango
nga Tanzania bakorete but I don't think in a democratic country like Kenya tinenga to serikali ne koreo montenga kinero rimo manda manarenko ba mono umwaroche serikali akatewa media houses and yon stem masako hea ekagandra iskari wono bagatigera abantu ba social media wona abantu barenkwenda barushi clip ucha bete kare banchireta bonega abantu babuganeke maine so a lot of falsehood were being spread wono it caused more harm than good ngo ya kwenta no nyabarengo tika social media houses bae ebintu bibiri exactly on the ground yarinda abantu bamasakolete ebintu byo kwenda byo bakora. I know President William Ruto is a very wise man ebintu mbira atangire and I think also the part of this bill ya njete is to mangana ya business of online mantina na umuntu agocha ako Photoshop ago tevinga no na bokwara no mo sabatikete esurane ahora kine ko chinse tari yayo
ago chinchere tichangara kino motuno yo
you will feel offended na boraga niko na mpaka koti yosi omonto ibone shiri ya chire kwenda bantaka bunabo to ko kanigento kamnekyo Roko abantu bandi mbara bagusigia abaidi baba abantu bandi bacha kukunya kukwenda kubeka ibintu bino online bitabwenda they believe shiri kama ine bwenda ko barenda yes it may have the negative part of it but it has more positive than the negative but me what I believe tell go chiko hati abantu bari responsible na bara umono and I don't think serikali tell go chiko sieka chinda ne tinga ya Tanzania ya korata ngana chinga kiye chikura you know we are in democratic country you know the moment you do that you are causing more harm more harm than good. And also people have fear. Abantu mbara bara to express chedia chabo online ngatu chinga kia ya siasa onyore babe raided ya bachinyomba cha babwatru go sande watebe gentongero bakoretega against the sheria to abegete. There are those fear. There are those fear that the government may end up misusing it. But also it is our appeal to get sheria bwatu. Tiye sheria bwatu, sheria tetumika kunya kubwata abantu ovyo esa uri magosa makama kesa uri omuntu bekire gento online getako gogeti ebintu biro bire realistic bitako gogeti. One you should answer back. You should not go to arrest those people out of fear. In fact that is most fear that most people have. Nabana behe gento gete mbwatu esa uri sheria. Osembe keke mbwatu sheria sheria. Those are also the negative part of it but we are waiting to see what motwe ngakimi ntiyo chikogenda ngakho siasa.
All right, ase ensemo yende igentongirigire serikali yandire chokolekana ko enekina no privatizer gusekoena na usina mashirika ya serikali guchia sabantu kibinafsi ko yatenenera unenchira ya muyo ko enekina serikali korosire faida ribaga yokorosia hasara na wikiraboni yantoruche kiriboni gakerobi siusekere mesa igorobono iga nengana elichia chiriche Safaricom twaruche mubunge okiharu ndi nyoro obereka okora chi meeting oseme kutano ebikaro bya town halls ka gotebana eshe ntangani litangani there before niko bare ko nyeshe ya mas shilingi emerongene na isano lakini bone igani yo chikone shilingi emeronge 3 na isano sengencho nchire barusiri bachena na guchia sensemo area Vodacom taliye yega yo kasensemo ya yega ya Safaricom kolina there before engane taribono yachite ntwero chimsale mudabari agotebana konyendira abakenya mwancha toena na mashirika nebyumbekete bikebike binyari gotenenerwa n'abantu kibinafsi nigera abengia gocha sensete ya Kenya tali asobobe kolena na se enchira erengia lakini asensemo yabasaye no millennials bagotebana nchira teyo ora oni bintu byabero le myaka tali ayegwachira boni yabatena tali ayegwachira una kemanyi obwato bomanye gotwetanie abanda abange eyiwe kwerana abange niko molema mincha nengane yo kwenana na kibinafsi
mainto mararia ayenteke magwente komanya kende gionse go corona na no bwate family yao okorege ento tani betia abantu be family okoro ba surprise tu kogeto wekese kebe nyombe
igomo chano public participation evente beyond spinel ya bakenya tari bya serikali byoka yes to have care you make for us decision at least no ne kyarenge ko banga mwatu to involve bananchi mware ko involve in the parliament na baro ba discuss evente baru ekerengera likiabo konye bagwetia sawa.
Also remember you are living in a generation that is very active in everything. Again the serikali yagwanta okora gento kuroko public participation. Baende kira ekunyarikana bana nyengere ward. Baende babori yabantu amahoni yabo abangina mbaro abagakambaro babori amahoni yabo baini walwa bakenya bonse nanga binte bimbi. Onye public participation yakoru media houses inchiro nkobwata chirekere gento kagendrete. Nonyana abantu mbaro bagwana bakachimba bakobeka ba post botambe. Na bakora abantu ketanya nkisumu barura amahoni gete. Onye nyamira tuarenge barura amahoni gete. Hora maoni y'abantu bari bakombe amaoni y'abantu abantu barure banjiranire gose bangire wono kero korege tutara involve aba Kenya expect to see resistance everywhere bantu bari batwanjira na idea yawe nebe ngyangirabe bantu maintinga gendrete igento kero twa maintenga shishankoni guchire irenga echi ngakchikono ngakmakire tabu bantu maintikende no one knows what is involving so expect opposition ntego chukwanjira na idea yao ngangochira bakore keneke expect opposition ya even me even as we are hurt a lot of people are to gotenga chishechi irenga bantu bane mbara babwete chishechi nechi nyinga mante from the perspective mante mbara bako era their own conclusion nga Safaricom era masakondo utastanyora Safaricom mwalieri kile foda yongo etari Westland senyore foda komweri kile gatari Safaricom onyore wanta kwa control ko South Africa tari kai wana tiga serikali involve aba Kenya eba eresere bamanye onyenge gochikogaranga Safaricom monkon were chenchewe Vodacom completely bamanye abantu namasodi abange babwate skogari let them involve the people without involving the people expect the opposition always
na asabara yaba igabono bagwesokia boniga egatia bara ibari bakuhikiria serikali abange babo nigo barenga serikali lakini ikirenga kiri okonyora abange nigo barenga committee abande nigo batenerete bintu biri bitatu ase serikali lakini egaikenga kirekero bakwe siko bono baikire iskena libacha kire kurusia chisiri chiri cheme chire chitamanye kaine nabara yaba iga ntubaruche ine abasa emochi ko bwaterana nabara yaba iga guskensi etu ya Kenya mutu asengencho asaboni gambara buba ko kire serikali mbara bubono bakonye kumenya bakenya ekekere gochia negentukeria uro musayo ganetie nekene ine muchi kubata na barabwo gusase bona ni omugaretie na enduka nyato tebie kene ngakike goika ni tutoche kubate kubagaidi bona tubate ine kitoka ibintu binde
omantu marigo tambe ko opposition negento gete kire rais sana ogwenjo itu na ko serikali nero te rais bantu na opposition okongwani kende Jones didi nyoro dibare ngo maintenga ke bare serikali ime as much was why start kire gentare mondo ngo kwana mono bintu binge na ende ko kanera no new silence re ibangire ngaki yako ibanga kine kisiasa whatever you use the economic perspective of it ko market eri na koreki amanyekane lakini ande bintu ko rako cho kwana ne bieke maene bara ba kwana eke maene so long as you speak the truth abantu bagotenna naye mantu no nyama tuka kwa ro abantu bangi bari bare serikali memba kwana kende yo ngeweke maene abantu bagote no bolimu generation ya bagote ya no bolimu abantu bakuyibate bagote ngo jogote na serikali bagote ba into kwa kura ya itopi ebase ya una wato kori lakini ntoko kwa injuki influence me
una keritwaro cheke okarga nase orogongoro gusia soba chori oboke
but one thing I want to tell you, being in government is not easy. Ama into bota okoba blamed kende Jones okoba blamed economy ne ko ngoma inte economy nchi ko ngete kerasi lakini ero kare na korete gas katna chite kare sana katari kakieri rina chite bogi mambu arenga ba kongwe bintu mbia arenga rais ega ikenga kigete chinga kishia corona higa ebintu bigachenchia mbake ebintu bigatire supermarket ona konyore ebintu ka country cha Arabic country cho konyore ebintu mbere igoro akeno nyenko bwa Kenya nanta watabange meshara na emenenere meshara abantu bakonyora between 70 gabo na 200,000 gabo ngaki on economy ya nere na konyora economy ya yare nkong sana no nyenko bwa ya Kenya bonega agiro mante bona bakanya twatare perspective eri kende Jones tokote banga serikali yatonga inde ebintu mbizira ligori ya serikali ya gaire serikali mante tumetari serikali ebintu binde they are worldwide the economy enjera ya chokire it is global nonyeroche UK karikara abantu bakanyora chigas bagenda nonyama tukako ona wanda nyora students ya bange bari bagapere student visa fati osomera UK bachakira kenchira gete sauri gasi nchiri buyaga nyenchi boro emeshara ya sukira kego. So even the Europe countries have been affected. Which I can't know ngaki people not advised to go to Europe. One economy kobesa de kari mewono three rais. Ama kosa yonzi piare nsengima na yoko bekeru all you need is wisdom. Na keke mwanto wanto kote bari opposition wona wanto kiro mwanzo cheneke maina bagote. Nande rais sana saba saina batari basaiboka nabantu bande kubwatana na arabu. Lakini tiaba Kenya bamanya serikali yande yonsi neswa kene kego chiko change. Nonye gete raira na ringa kiria raira tarenga serikali ime lakini ringa wabwatana tena ruta gaso serikali ime mbaka kaiwekero ya finance ingi ya change man things achinde mbia twa discuss into very realistic even any other government that comes kenen kio kira change na ndikendenge serikali na so yonto ikabira change yakego barate serikali ra chate maybe free education babe ko besa boka taritari bonge bara beke sari mesara te yo saine so no yocho yo habona yana na wanti kodiga onyo wa iboro na ntote benga chi sector chinde nchironga health achene che idia chinde ari form wake tari bintu bingi bira change economic wise economy sio ko radi chi serikali ndio yonsi yagosa bakota bo stabilize economies chiabo chirenga ne chance ngima ono kenen kio kera change let people think kama tianga gocha na bo boibo ke bintu change no konya tari matengi na bagosa ari ta koraki ta twara boibi lakini abantu bari inside rende na horfara
na bago ikira ni kore biga byo
so yo mind abantu mabwate wisdom how you korozi kwerende garia so that thing much will change so being in government is not that no wila muto ntomo konde mono no nto tegeta ruoro ntomo konde mono so bintu mbili raisi go na ndo twara too much expectation ni serikali gete ga so but na beko nyara ko kore bintu bya ndo twara too much expectation nga matianya so na bako change bintu gete change gete let us not have too much expectations. There's nothing much that will change ndo ndo rubio kabira change na baringa sivyo sawa nsiye ntu yokara bakonye noko luchifani chili bare ngwa kana cha affordable housing bintu bya umesiwa mekeka makeka na weko rusiwa lakini nothing much will change because you know government is just a government uru na rueto rutaga so bintu bya change limono leta bantu batatenge asle ngo soere ene asla mintu ntoma ntenge bintu ngo chile biko change nothing much has changed raira gasoa nothing has changed completely even that means that thing serikali ndio yonse Kenya ne rieri kibasa chiko rigugwa ne system ne rieri taxation ne rieri yego chikokorwa in fact na serikali ndio ra asona ande tax y'abantu mono so kede president ya orone tyo takora magendero at the end of the day there's nothing much will change na bo hindi strategy yotevenga tyatorwa ninjira gitega bantu mbaiba ona ndo kwanyore shida kiro mundu tweta wasone serikali gari nienda ya
gari gete kwenyore
no bonga ino ya kunya kori ngaki akorusi president ne babwata ngoyo ibere mbamu ya kote binabya mnyoka ya evidence ya mantu sabi umuntu ko yotari ko iba directly no bonga hinya kutumiera wono kama mchukunya kumnyakania hivi na koti bianda biasira. So let Kenyans not have too much expectation. Tikato very realistic ngaba Kenya. The moment you have too much expectations, you'll be disappointed.
All right.
You'll be disappointed. Just focus on your own personal economy. Evange kore biasara byao nyokoro muri ko gwata abana babangere cyisukuru bagende unyotete bagende go cyisiko bachiko somo kinsikiri cyesiko kigendrete barwanda. Just focus on your personal economy. Just have too much expectation on yourself. Tari ya serikali. Watu wa too much expectation on serikali, you'll be disappointed from government to government.
All right.
Yes.
Biamano mwanchumo ligerere gwensoko tiyo burusubo mu gusekerekeria tokoragenda mutimo komokena badaye tokwerana tocho kwanira engana eliwatkeneke rokoligereria somo ruberi obumura gwense guchiase umusaye gwense ya Kenya. Nigatete ko invest sana se chitiveta ko enekina abasaye nkonyora bara mwegirio na mona se chigasiri chia maboko and of course abwase naye okwenyora ase ogotema gosemia abasaye na boigo kwena na mwegirio likoba konye kwa nyane guchia se chinse chinde tokorera se semento ko yakwanira badaye abu ase ensemerio kwena na amwegirio guchia saba sai na mono ase chigasiri chire chia maboko igwemire tukunganya kurwa chidigiri na kadhalika getwira lensa kolenda abasaye mbache banti chigasiri chigachia maboko unabona gusambereria ubwagachi na kadhalika mwate bana niko baraba starabu sana ayo tuchiko ya kwanira badaye ensoko TV borusubo mugusi toskare tiago torarasi umiri chidoka keo.
Eye Nensoko TV uboroso bumugusi. Je, unakusudia kwenda sherehe itakaosalia katika mioyo ya watu kama kumbukumbu daima? JN Java tupo kwa ajili yako. Tunabadili kila tukio la furaha, fahari na ubora usipimika. Tunatoa huduma mbalimbali kama vile viti vya kila aina, mimbari au meza za kuvutia, hema za kisasa, mapambo ya kuvutia, taa za kila aina, upishi wa vyakula vitamu, vioo vya kisasa, zulia za kila aina, mfumo wa matangazo kwa umma yani PS system, miongoni mwa huduma nyingi kwa bei rafiki. Kwa mengi zaidi, tutembelee katika ofisi zetu zilizopo katika jiji kuu la Nairobi kwenye eneo la maonyesho yani showground. Na ukiwa mjini Kisii ni katika eneo la Mwembe kwenye jengo la JN Java lililo karibu na jumba la Isena White House. Au unaweza kuwasiliana nasi kupitia nambari 07920710 au tuandikie barua pepe kupitia anwani sales@jnjava.co.ke. JN Java, kila tukio lina hadithi, tuandike pamoja. Obutindu no bosombasi amate ninki kere tokore
asamari etangoro ko munyagitari bosire koru Betami Rehabilitation Center. Betami Rehabilitation Center togotoka asegusi ensemo ya Gesonso na Nairobi ga ugoche ensemo ya Ungatarunga Xerian Road. Ime ya Betami nigo togo konya abantu bari amaruna mariogo yogotindi asariri obongo bwabo. Togo konya abantu buna umwana funzi orenge kwa ende university ongere gutumia maruna mariogo yogotindi amosariri wana yaikireke wango guikaru aligo panya oroyo onde orenge kwa ende kanisa utigire onge yakonywa mariogo yogotindi na amaru abasari erio twabaretaga Betami twabarwali erinde ubugima bwabo bwirane gochaso ubugima bwe
kwa Christmas namba 0706380913 Betami Rehabilitation Center lichi buri gukora kingatare icyobutindu ine nuganete betri uratumia segari yao ebetri uguchachirimo ugakweba ebetri ulegene chinga kichonsi ebenga kiyeriberera gosenga kiyobokendu tawe chandika Autobat Kenya Limited no tulegigiga asingi chao nigo tokorosia na koni chibetiri uratumia singa kichonsi chibetiri uratumie ase gari enke ebasi nonyaneri kurukuru.
Tunapopitia pale kwa gari yako tutahakikisha tumeweka na tumekupimia charging system ya gari na pia tumekupimia battery na kila kitu itakuwa iko sawa.
Alright. Sasa na ikileta shida kabla hii warranty ishe itakuwa namna gani?
Ikikusumbua kabla ya warranty utakuja, alafu tukishaiangalia tutakupatia battery ya kushikilia tukiendelea kuangalia yako.
Talia yoka ne battery yechinguru.
Battery ya Autobat ni battery ambayo ni spill proof, kumaanisha hiyo battery haimwagi acid ile ambayo iko ndani. Hiyo battery imetengenezwa na calcium. Kama vile tunajua calcium hainanga water loss, kumaanisha sasa hiyo battery hakuna wakati ambayo inakauka hiyo acid.
Asamange twakirisimi namba 0739697855.
Kwa wale watu wa kujamstatiwa, wachana na battery kama hizi. Tumia Autobat. Battery ni Autobat.
Eye Nensoko TV. Uboroso bw'umugusi.
Karibu naende mwancho morire liben Soko TV uboroso bw'umugusi kereke toswa asense muyende kwendera ukwanira amangana au na mono ase ayabwatikana n'abasaye mambya bono alias twatigera nigo twatigera ase ugo kwandera iguro y'omuroboro we serikali koene kena nko kinya bari birengo byekisemera mono ase chiskuru chiri chikwana na amwaigerio yemeremo usechigasiri chamaboko lakini akero kuri eli omubaro monene bw'abasaye mubaro monene nigo ase university nigo ase college asokonyora masika tukrata na degree masters na kadhalika gochimoino lakini akero kuri eli omubaro bw'abasaye urase ensemo eri TVET go sechi school chikuru amagerio yechigasi chigache maboko mubaruwe ni goromoke sana na ki ora kwanere ngani nande nasiki ekwirira ya chakobaigo of course ni maitenyo nae nura sensemeri yokorwa amagerio uchia se abasae na kubasemina enchiranero ranyora amagerio na boigo konyora emirimo yonese chinse chesko se chinse buna German ne chinse chiga chinde
bainto mararia kare mali ntwagwate bosebi twagakore kare form 4 ontoteba na muntu ketene accountant yagwata korundi nengia na muntu ketene lawyer mbuya okora muntu ketene hare bosene chi technical field in electrical engineering mbuya okora lakini obosemi mboro tutate betu kare nga technical courses na chiwate chigasi and a lot of money ndiwanto kagwato kana form of sectors ngene jetinga kore degree ya finance bono nkabwenga ngokora nkabande ya accountant
wikira rero ganko kwanyere usikwanya ko yetume kandons
wani certificate yara tinanya konyo rice ere osene bwate bugu sese nanye begete ku graduate
na bere marie bacha imekirete iko
tinanya konyo Rusia na lebo ntwasta konyo baadaye chikosi njiro nga plumbing no ndanga America bonega monta ko ireka sokore plumbing you will make a lot of money even than a professor tiga sinchiro echinde nge chia wiring welding chibugate besa twarora wasaya bange iskaria bare bane ga bakora welding bache tobo training bakora welding abandi bakanyara chitendo chechikora babaro chidirisha emirangu abandi mbaro bagusambeni mbaka chigari mbaro bakorre mbaka ebinte normal mechanics yetari yeri degree just normal training ya TVET wone gabare babwate mbaka chigari gichiabo ibintu mbiro tate batukare mbaka bonega ngachikosi nchiro ngabona lonyina bo diploma bako bakinga abantu bakora nga caregiving nursing mantu nchiro mwarimu wa Germany
hospitality
mantu mwarimu wa Germany ndi nachina awo chone degree tari gonkonya nkagenda ngasomege Germany ngikamanya ngacha somi na ndo manta kwenda Germany imbosa yawanto mba mind mbaka embassy ya Germany ya wasetia reside center mba wasetie kwerende job fair
center ya
Westlands ya job fair abantu bagacha bakare so tukaraba ntawa yao yabako Germany bate bangakibako ira abantu bari wakano chinasi na nchina ndabo nkosomege Germany
kakinga nina kikwerete konyora amagerio yoko bo mworokia bomuntu bwege German
6 months choka nonyene serikali yo mainteri dikare rutacheta bagasaine moyo wa Germany basta bagatenga to koenda otabwati language even to kandini language okay ende bosa German ne kana tielebe nyerete tachi plumber mechatronics nete tabanta bakorte kwende abo mechanic imbaga neiri bara bwate mechanical engineering registered nurse simbaga neiri baga neto soma baka B1 enje wan tokarosie tokachawa sai tokasomega Germany ekyo tokarosie team wono online tokosomia abantu tokosomia abasaya bange abande bachakira kwenda tayari wono mainte e perspective uri tokotwara nga wikotwara degree omanya kwenda atambe aine degree yango kuro motaka wekawantu waje
asenje 20p omwaire nje tokaneti nebe sebe mubuko
ebesa ebe mubuko tiga abantu bande activity chibatubere nga plumbing abantu plumbers mbaka na irisana Germany mwese kana orenge Germany yongakirite simyaka ntebi ngono mwarimu ono Germany no bwata abantu bakonda ari chitokete swimmer ibere professional swimmers onye nyamba mainti tigabaye ndabakora bachi certificate babari bamantu wa kontimbo bachikwa mbaka lifeguard e contract ya renge ya 2 years yomba hinta abantu mbabure tizari mbaye babwata language tiga abantu batiko bozembe basoma foreign languages that German gyoka so mege French so mege Chinese onto yobwate foreign languages otavuga ati gas isika nonye chikasi chia cruise ship chichite gweta chinse gweta yobwate foreign languages akonya kwa ile priority raisi kubwana nyana abande tiga abantu batike tetairas mobeke perspective konye bore mucho kusomya umwana we degree haya no turega na boto go sem toko tebi method skio ko tumira toni bore mubwao indo mwana chakire there's an humble beginning temni tonya wakora plumbing ngatinga toko nyara gokina nga Germany man the system of education in Germany abantu batanya kwata is free. People don't pay in public universities. A degree bari wakana, diploma bari wakana, masters, PhD, ama
serikali yebeketa amasoma akababosa.
Amasoma akababosa gari. Man most of the population is an older population. Wanambate keta abantu bari skilled ya bange, bashi bakora chigasi gari. Wante muteme wachire kasi ya plumbing gari ngango chore ko bayigo. Genda no plumbo bwao chakerawo. Onyoto te nursing ibintu bero bakoroka nga house building nursing in community colleges bako mbosa abantu bako sponsored ya baka jibisa bari wakanera abake wachakira kwa gandaria abange ntora bayise kabandari banyombe baka wachakira chi agency cyabo bako iraba anto na baro geta mantu yoko irina bagwakana nakibatari go gwakaneria abantu bachire gari hone gabi rasu bya nursing hotel rasu moto mbara batagwa tkosi ende yonse na bako somera language yeyu ondo korege ndo yekoro house building nursing house building nursing ne community college chidio kore kosi ya 3 years wachake gasi yo kore gasi nyangwate gete ina bako chenje kore nga na bange ba chenje njo yo bogima tege rasu mabantu batwari kwenje na chiko president yeko ya chita gari Germany bintu bira ni setting achitive tichwana ngatwachire kabantu bantu bakore bintu nga plumbing kenda dige activity range nae kore bintu plumbing twara professional twara ga certificate yabo kenda kore bintu mechatronics bintu electronics engineering ebike na wako no nyenke mtisio kore nursing yete diploma ya nursing in 3 years kenda kora kia vingi twara experience yao teras mo bere Kenya man na rachina Kenya 3000 wa wakano tiako nyakobera kunya kora kakase 3000 akachisa uchi wangu bwangu tiako balezi ko so much foreign languages genda wono me support the idea of the president HTV wanta kwa chini nyingi and chiwe in fact nonye help TV wa wanta ba help kabisa chingana wete deputy president ga hotel medical school ya renge KMTC bocha kawari kwa facilitate
asomo yigo yokora kantense mo ya Kasarani wanya ore help tigabanta ba go help 100% abana bo banta ushiko change economy ya Kenya ndio banta ba nyore chiga series kabi mwote mtu mbare ya sa Kenya wako tumare wako nyoro remittances ya yosonga igyangetira kego ebe seri wako tumango change something in Kenya tigabona abantu bayigo ko bonko bwaho tiakoni amaremo ko iraga kya bana baino university ngono bore mokoni omoiro university go saying no just go those even TVs are very cheap, they're not expensive no chaka ni lwe merongebere omwakanire kako gando mutenyo mo mutenyo kabera ndo mente chiri bwibere chiri bwisa tugongo nya gusoma ngo nya gusukari tayira smanya banya chigazi siko chenka nya ga chigazi njiro chigazi abantu mbarenga wale chi mechanic ya ke mbarenga bakora electrical engineering bakora to bokosi oba ko TVT wana bakora wiring kerase mbarenga bakora bokosi mbaka CCTV bakora CBS yao hono chikosi chitoko nya kwanda tonya kwa crowded nga finance bank and finance ya degree
wata yo certificate ya wekera boni yankwanye byo siasa kwanye begete
na nchinga kina graduate tina chite ko kwa graduation chi university chine nganyara abantu bakora chikosi chine chinyinge
bange
nanda bange wana ngamba atika baka bande bachira bakora bo made Katari ono mandira auto want ibikundi bitoja byawasa tuasemania nchira ki mura abantu baranyari ko byoka bagenda atambe ndo nyakomyo kenchi twakamnyokire kale twashokora chidigiri tigache badaye ri kwa very stable durata abantu banda basoma chidigiri ntoka nti lawyer ntoka nti abanyagetari ntoka nti chi engineer etigache badaye ri kwa very stable tutukawari yasa yeto very frustrated ya na bange baide mbaka bayingentire we have a lot of cases y'abantu bayingentire abantu bakuru wandire bintu bitayo bayita abantu bakora chikasite bari frustrated families chigo samantha family chinge chiko separated this out HBS ebese boto na tadi kenna most of the factors chiko got a lot of marriages chire yang chiaire ne sauri ya besa as much as factors chinda chiro ebesa ne re factor okobora yende ko gara bantu bakotabanga baisika watu wasema babas ne ebesa bakoriya igente ko la prostitution ya gandratis ko gaiga ne ebesa 20 bobo ibakoriya but to chamo to gambe ngakituranya ko chinchi system ya ito inda banta bangi banyaro ko imukera bakora chigasi banyaro ko nyara chigasi chiko cha change their livelihoods, then we can go very far. If we just talk amongst ourselves,
all right,
we can change everything.
Asense mwenye to kwanira ya igonsi abasaya bangi wikiraboniga iko babwate gente kiro kwana mental health issues na mental health issues echige chigo cha sengencho na bwana okonyoro muntu tabwati gasi tabwati besa erentinge yaganirwakana abange niko barwete chinga chiabo risa bagacenera ubibira abande tukurata bana niko narunka nacho mucyoyo ochenje risa ose ushago yaito lakini bayikira so mucyoyo usasa uko nione county na yonsi asemeche yemenene ubugima bwachakira gokonga pressure neraiga depression yeye ya soereme amangana mental health lakini nturatwara ebyombe biriya bigokwanira omusae ryo komuwa basemi iguru yamangana bwatikene na mental health ayibona agendere to comment kana wikirabonega
amurari ebyombe bimbiro lakini mbiri bingi
ebirebike
twa na nchina engage na abande bahote binga bono nchina kitoko nyara kukwandra bono mono taya basaiboka even the elderly people bari bachino na Nairobi gaiga are very frustrated. You know this case is talking kyabantu ko inye ke usie kine kyatri tota ko inye nta chabere somehow high konda kwanyoro mondo nesumwanywete hande bayisibire ngo ariko sedin kyaburete ibintu ebyebike abandi bachakire ko blame abande you are not there for others or you are there for another person no ene rebe chanda bwate
ya ene nigere mingi gwetanye yago
ne yara mara tibona bachakwa sero monto ngana no karo musami one na njimu chanda ene ngwetre bwete yae bantu bono bantu bane bari gutaka kora kimba bari gutaka ku understand but a mechanism yo cha kukwanda abantu will deal with the mental health issues ngakina tubaringe kimbigete kyabasaya timandi ko senkera still exists so into state to Karwara into watch program which because we had some youth leaders who are those professionals ko batatu arenge bakwandra abantu and also to deal with the mental, you know, sometimes ukwandro monto ngo chekeria kwanya sana yo muntu abwato muchando because you find most of us men we don't speak our problems easily but rito konyoro muntu to trust it yo ko that topic to chakire okwana ryo konyora abantu bagose bakabachaka okwana nje mantenge wakwane kemane konyengo kieterande lakini njira kwa kwandire na renga tina ratandrat na renate ketanya denkorera mara goba lakini nakodeke na nchoire birengera ryo abantu nabange babro history cha nga pastor tio mandina wote story ya nga kimba kacheta America nga kyarengera tukora kwerende but still is there no kwando abantu abakwandire tu. So this program, the government in fact should come up with this program, not just in schools, in universities. In fact, every ministry should even become a law. Every organization, companies, guidance and counseling departments. Because now it's like these situations are escalating. In the situation, so these young people are very too much frustrated. Karama de mona rengo bonega bagiru mono kenenke na abantu barareme generation yabonte kwanira mono ne yabon etakwanira tu, so we'll have different stories to be talking about it if the situation is not handled well. Yes.
Aso kora nigo tubwate dakika ya mongote we dakika ya monenu uswalia aso kokolera emambia ya bono iga insechi sekunda nge 30 igo nkwera ni bakase county ya Nairobi ase komo chikolekana na tubwate byombe biri byabagusi ebyombe biga byachakira kwa bebinge lakini uko bagikana wachakira comment kana no nyina barayi bari bare korro boko ene kiana mu gusingo charamo na Monase county ya Nairobi bachakira kwa bagikana kyumbe kikeri guche nyone na barayi abaigabanye abanyene ni go bayitaine kwanirango obomo bomo gusi Nairobi nsie ye dakika AM nabo uko bagikana uko ganande karatoro chobo chorwo mwaka wechilu fibere 2025 nebere
wante omo bomo gusi no bwamana one shide ujata kora into ngawa gusineta ma kama tu atire sia
monta bwato gwe yanchi bwae
monta ndaso muraige tote banche mbwata baba gusi oego oenda ora bantu bande bakonyote ba nyagete rogenda arie taturangetie amangana yomo bwobo gusi fuera eto kia korre abo mwomo gusi netama manda kinalo Geoffrey Mosiria kwende chief of state ganya kwenda ari mobilize abantu atenga bagusi bonspi tumura ne KCC manda obuna wo moto tegete adesho enchera kwandre abagusi abange sana nkoraki kwenda barari but onche tokubeke tama ito kando twara bere byombe binge twara abantu aho twara tama bakabande bashire ne welfare chiachage tengambuya chiga etamega chiga kwera gati etama yaitire binte binga sawo mu gusiga ya gusi ma kyompe nkera kemo banta bantu batakira kobeka bona obombo bokari bamanyaine baka mu boruwo mu usyo bonene mbura bekume baka kyama nkya kibera ko chimba kya sokini bake be ko basi yabo supermetro abekina bake para bayibangire buya mante nakya bona abantu barari batokonya ko bara abantu abange ngo mu gusi ya tobeke byo mibiri bike to mahente to chakegendo ketanda bya very success and it works.
All right.
But bari bako chawale taba gusiamo byo mbe binene beke tamakando imwa beke tamakando will go far.
All right. Byamano mwancho muri ya soko sanga twasangire mambya yabonekere tuwikomo ere kamera yago ne eri namba 2 ngana yago yo mweryo.
Njenge ntongo tebya bagusi baito ngaki abantu siasa tikatoba abantu abamo. Ono tumante from the ground abantu abange bachakira ko bwati matyangi tikatobe egente kamo
okay
tubwati matyangi aire taira atasbe one andi ko nyare kane kyama kiriya gotenena ibiro abantu bari bagotene ibiro bahawe bionsipi tero kiyobomo naira na taira all in one way or the other ndoko misko wasere karime
all right
ndoko misko wasere karime anda basayi baito mo bagotene ibiro go biri mu banke tegotenena mo goswa kariya ko bwate genda na karako imoki agenda yao okoneri yabantu tene ibiro ge bionsipi to bikombi bionsi biyo kunyara ko genda yo kunyara kiro financial chirio bwati no bwamsiyo kunyara genda bwamso no bwampi genda bwampi oni agenda yao to kumanya mambinga kibangire.
All right. Byamano mwancho muri ene Nsoko TV oborusi mu gusina gwikira buno to gwikira omweryo ase lya lero iga litukiriria Jumatano ankyo no chukomera namuna Linet Nyambane guchakira chinsa inye gwika chinsa isano ne moche mu baso tomerane lituko lya Ijuma chinsa buna echa lero ekerokire turachukwanira ayande amange asabono gendera gotengere 20 yatikira seri tukolima goika eliankyo kolinde ni chinsa chia mogoroba na turachikomera na samoya Nsoko TV reteriane Ishmael Mogere.